All right, Chloe, you get to tell me a little bit about yourself. How old are you?
14.
14? Okay. What do you like to do for sports, things like that?
Softball.
Okay, nice. What are you going through right now?
I got diagnosed with leukemia in October last year. And I went into remission in December, early December.
So now are you going back through treatments again, or are you fully in remission?
I'm still getting chemo.
Okay.
And I should be over sometime in August, just on maintenance pills.
Good. That's exciting. So what grade are you going to?
Ninth.
Okay. You're a big sports gal. We know that from our consultation. Definitely outside all the time. Yeah. You also want to build a big old pool in the backyard. Yes. So Chloe was here today, and we went through a lot of wigs with her. But really cool God story is we were wanting the longest wig that we had here. And the last one that we had was Ruby, and she just came in. So it was meant for Chloe. We already got her cut and styled in for her. She's got a 24-inch Ruby. Do you dig the wig?
I dig the wig.
You dig the wig. Looks great. Now you can wear it for school. Looks great. She brought her whole fam with her, too. Looks really good.